surprised and a little sad because surprised because I didn't expect that. Sad because I just remember seeing this one photo that I was tagged on Instagram a couple of months later, and these kids holding guns and saying "Good bhaiya, we're
Right.
I think we created something, created a monster.
The new trailer of Mirzapur has caused absolute mayhem on the internet yesterday. While everyone is waiting for Guddu and Golu to wreak havoc against Kaleen and Munna Bhaiya, what struck me the most is the absolute fandom that this show has generated. It made me ponder over what was so special about this show, that it has sustained the interest of the audience for so long since it first released on 16 November 2018. I realized instantly that the series has had the hype for close to 2 years, piquing interest for the release of the second season not only due to its memorable dialogues, meme templates, and the content it focuses on, but also the fascinating ability of Amazon Prime Video's marketing that has created an interactive experience with the audience, almost teasing the idea of the show consistently, leading to nothing but the comment,
Mirzapur 2 kab aa raha hai?
Season 1 and its timing. Let's strictly look at the show from a content perspective and the timing in which Mirzapur Season 1 had released. Let's be honest, in 2018, the only two thriller web series that people were talking about were Sacred Games and Mirzapur. It was a different landscape altogether in the online space compared to the saturated market we see today, where there are innumerable options for thrillers. While Gaitonde and Sartaj appeared 4 months earlier, it took the audience by surprise as they were used to the film format in theatres and could finally see an Indian production capable of a nuanced thriller of an international quality. Mirzapur set in stone the fact that the online space is going to be a place of gritty, fast-paced and memorable pieces of work, even a safe haven for talent rather than mediocrity thriving. While the character development and take on society in Sacred Games, especially Season 1, in my opinion, was fleshed out better, Mirzapur, while setting up the Badlands of Uttar Pradesh brilliantly, was more or less set up as a revenge storyline. What made it even more memorable beyond the content is the cast and its quotable dialogues by Karan Anshuman and Puneet and Vineet Krishna. I believe Mirzapur and its initial popularity was both a combination of its perfect casting and ideal timing, when audiences were craving for gritty, gory and unapologetic thrillers. But how has the hype sustained for so long?
ऐसा लगा ना कि हमेशा एयरपोर्ट पे बोर्डिंग पास ना कि वो कालीन भैया के नाम से बोर्डिंग पास न छापते हैं.
The longevity. If you look at the history of pieces of art that especially come out after a long period of time, either due to circumstances or production issues, you will notice that due to the delays, the audience often loses interest on the project. Many films that are delayed even after successful marketing campaigns have an issue with sustaining the hype the film had originally generated. While Sacred Games capitalized on the buzz and produced its second season within 6 months, the quality, much to the disappointment of even the cast,
उसमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा सब कुछ डालने की कोशिश की उसमें. डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स जो आए उसकी वजह से डल हुआ एक तो, क्योंकि वो उनको सेकंड सीजन में फिर से उनको इस्टेब्लिश करना था, वो था. और फिलोसफिकल लेवल पे लाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे उसको, विच इज़ गुड, बट बहुत ही प्रीची भी हो रहा था.
Mirzapur, contrastingly, stands out as an anomaly, as it has consistently kept the audience interested on what is in store, almost categorically playing with the emotions of the fans, knowing very well they desperately want to watch the second season. Mirzapur stands out as because compared to the other series that revive seasons with almost fresh characters and storylines, we are already invested in the path of vengeance of Guddu and Golu. We know what we are signing up for. Hype through engagement. The marketing team of Amazon Prime Video has done a phenomenal job in making the audience feel involved, constantly keeping them in the loop of how the characters are doing and when we can expect the finished product. Announcements of several titles also presented Mirzapur, developing interest from the start of the year. Cleverly, the marketing team also never showcased the release date of the series, constantly releasing fresh titles and keeping the mystery alive around Mirzapur. While this might have developed a sense of overkill among the audience on how long can you truly engage them, I think the interactive posts, memes, and consecutive announcements has only developed the hype around Season 2 to be like no other. What many people may not realize is that as Hera Fairy over the years has become this meme template appropriate for almost every situation on Twitter, Twitter, over a period of time, Mirzapur, especially the dialogues of Kaleen and Munna Bhaiya, have become meme material for every major social, economic and political event. I love Slay Point, but imagine if the meme of Binod can garner so much hype, all based on this idea created by a YouTube channel. Imagine the power of a piece of art that is malleable in situations in real life, so much so that those characters stay fresh in your memory consistently. This was recognized by the team and have further doubled down with the memes at every opportunity that they had. Amazon Prime Video, in an odd way, had created such hype around this particular web series that the actors genuinely started to be only referred to as the characters from the show. Its promotional and marketing strategy penetrated so deep into the market that it even compelled other streaming platforms to acknowledge the existence of the show and how the actors are almost inseparable from the characters they portrayed. Finally, in the later half of 2020, from date announcements, character introductions, and to finally the trailer, they have systematically and intelligently tapped into the pulse of what the masses want. The reason, however, for my interest in Season 2 is not the recall value of how amazing Season 1 was. I was thoroughly bummed out at the Red Wedding ending. While developing anxiety within me, my favorite character Bablu was snatched away from me. I always assumed Guddu to be almost this dim-witted, mass-over-mind half of the two brothers. But Season 2, especially its first look and the interviews I've seen of the cast, provide me hope that more than the action-based focus on Season 1, the fresh season is going to provide a more layered character development. While Season 1 had almost become a race for survival in the Badlands owned by Kaleen Bhaiya and his spoiled brat, Season 2 does not seem to be simply a revenge storyline, but a catalyst for characters to be truly fleshed out. Individuals who are not big fans of the show, a minority percentage of the population of course, consider it to be unnecessarily violent, inconsistent in its storytelling, and an attempt at creating an Anurag Kashyap universe. While I don't wholeheartedly disagree with a few points of the criticism, I believe Season 2 has all the potential of elevating the series, from a writing and character standpoint.
I'm amazed with the way the direction they're taking, because it's more cerebral,
Right.
it's more you see the human side to him.
What I am most looking forward to is the introduction of the new characters Vijay Varma and Isha Talwar and how they contribute to the series and the various dynamics between characters. Golu seems to be less of a skeptic and more resilient in the tragedy she witnessed at the wedding, while to my relief, it seems like Guddu has become more mature and aware of the goal in mind. It is Anjum Sharma's angle as Sharad that I believe will provide for a big surprise, coexisting while the main characters are after Kaleen and Munna Bhaiya's destructive ways. Tell me, what are your thoughts about the series? Are you big fans and looking forward eagerly, or you consider the hype to be unwarranted? Let me know in the comments below. And that was the video, guys. Write down in the comments below what you think about the series and the hype around it. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The handle is right in front of you. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, please support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you for watching.